Struggling to find an easy way to clean your Whirlpool electric range? I'm William of AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'm here to guide you through the cleaning process by focusing on key areas like the console and frame, cooktop, oven, and oven door. These spots can often harbor stubborn grime, but don't worry, it's easier than you might think to get them sparkling again. Whether you're a first-time do-it-yourselfer or a seasoned pro, I'll provide straightforward tips to help you restore the shine to your range. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering the tools we'll need to get your Whirlpool electric range looking like new. For today's work, we'll need a glass cooktop cleaner, vinegar, baking soda, a cloth or paper towels, a scraper, a flathead, and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Make sure to unplug your electric range or switch the breaker off. With the power disconnected and the tools in hand, we're ready to tackle the first area, the oven door. Grab a flathead screwdriver and open the oven door. Use a screwdriver to move the hinge locks into the locked position. Then lift the door to about a 45-degree angle. It will lift up slightly and then pull out. Set the door on a flat, padded surface to prevent scratches. Next, take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws securing the inner panel to the outer panel. Carefully separate the two panels. Remove the hinges and brackets. Then take out the insulation and middle panel, the middle glass, the window frame, and finally the inner glass. Clean each part using vinegar with a cloth or paper towel. For heavier residue, make a paste of baking soda and vinegar. Apply it to the spot and let it sit for about 15 minutes to loosen the buildup. A scraper can be used carefully on the glass panels to remove stubborn deposits. Remove the burner knobs. Spray vinegar onto a cloth or paper towel and wipe down the knobs and console. Avoid spraying liquid directly on the controls to prevent damage. For the side panels, you can spray vinegar directly onto the surface and wipe clean with a cloth. Apply a small amount of glass cooktop cleaner to the surface. Use a cloth or paper towel in circular motions to buff the cleaner into the glass. Once it dries, wipe it away using the same circular motion. For stubborn spots, carefully use a razor scraper at a shallow angle. Apply only light pressure to avoid scratching the glass or injuring yourself. Remove the oven racks and set them aside. Use a damp cloth or paper towels to wipe out any loose crumbs or debris from the bottom of the oven. For light cleaning, spray vinegar onto a cloth and wipe the interior surfaces. For heavy buildup, apply a baking soda and vinegar paste to the soiled areas. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. If residue is stubborn, repeat the process or carefully use a plastic scraper to loosen it. Avoid using metal tools as they can scratch or damage the oven liner. If you use an abrasive cleaner such as Magic Eraser, be sure to rinse thoroughly with a damp cloth afterward to remove any potentially hazardous residue. Spray vinegar onto the warming drawer to clean it too. Regular cleaning keeps your range looking good and working efficiently. Wipe spills as soon as the surface is cool. Give the cooktop and console a quick wipe weekly, and plan a deeper interior clean every month or two based on use. Don't let buildup sit. Once grease and baked on food harden, removal takes more time and effort. Keeping up with light regular cleanings prevents the kind of heavy restoration we just tackled. To put the door back together, lay the inner panel flat on a padded surface. Set the inner glass into place, followed by the window frame, the middle glass, insulation, and the middle panel. Reattach the hinges and brackets to the assembly. Position the outer panel over the stack and align it carefully. Secure the outer panel to the inner panel with the Phillips screws. Do the same with the handle and top trim. To reinstall the door, hold it at about 45-degree angle and align the hinges with the slots on the range. Lower the door until it seats fully, then rotate the hinge locks towards the oven cavity. Plug the power cord in, and with that, we're done. Here's what it looked like before, and here it is now. Cleaning your oven not only keeps it looking nice, it also keeps it operating to its fullest. Once you've tackled the cleaning of your Whirlpool electric range and it's shining like new, remember that maintaining it regularly will keep your appliance running smoothly. If you identified any parts that need replacing, simply grab your model number and visit appliancepartspros.com to order the necessary parts. Most orders arrive within just a couple of days, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your clean and efficient kitchen. We'd love to hear how your journey went, so feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!